Hi everyone, magandang araw. Ako si Daryl. We are a Filipino-Russian family living in northern part of Cebu. So, at ngayong araw is may errands kaming gagawin. At since it's almost lunchtime, parang gutom nata si Maria. So, kakain kami sa labas at titingnan namin kung saan may karinderya or kahit anong kainan na pwede naming puntahan at doon lang kami mag-lunch. So, tara at samahan nyo kami sa aming adventure for today. Let's go! At ito, dumating kami sa karinderya na suki namin. So in the end, dito kami pumunta kasi ito lang yung available. At unfortunately, natutulog si Mikael ngayon. So as you can see, so yun, ang himbing ng tulog ni Mikael. So for now, dito kami sa suki namin na karinderya kasi craving siya ng Filipino food. So tara at mamili tayo ng pagkain.
Bring just pure high quality sound. Get 4 months for
Juan, kani?
Cancel anytime. Tap the banner to
Isa lang.
Yes.
So what? How is it? What you will eat?
My favorite, of course, torta talon, the eggplant omelette, and some soup here.
Chicken soup.
Yes, and then this one, I don't know what's the name.
Actually, it's humba egg. So yeah, this one is just only egg, but it's not humba.
So yeah, I will enjoy my homemade Filipino cravings. I like to eat here. It's always nice.
So, yan, ito yung suki namin na karinderya kasi masarap yung pagkain nila at affordable. So, parang ito lang rin yung go-to namin if
Yes.
gusto namin kumain ng authentic na Filipino food talaga. So, as you can see, pansit, mangganisa, tinolang manok, what you call this?
Torta talon.
Talong. And look, who's eating?
Yes, that's it.
Alright, so kakain muna kami and see you later.
Mommy, Daddy shoo to do cooking something like that. We can say here.
Yes, we'll stay here.
Mommy, don't forget to do.
Oh, there is a dog, but it's okay, I think.
Andito kami ngayon sa beach town and tapos na kami kumain. So, andito kami ngayon dahil actually nagka-canvas kami ng mga possible hotels or resorts kasi may good news kami sa inyo. Yung family ng wife ko is bibisita dito sa amin at excited talaga kami na pumunta sila dito. So, right?
We're so excited. We're keeping this news already for a couple of months, but now since it's already confirmed, so we're super excited
Yeah.
and the time is coming. So a few months left and yay! Actually, I didn't see 5 years my family, and Mikael will see in person, not in online video, but in actual first time Mikael is 4. So yeah, we saw last time it was before pandemic. So 5 years na. Super excited.
So, alam niyo naman yung sitwasyon ng sa bansa ng wife ko, talagang totally cut off sila with everything, sa direct flights, currency or whatsoever. So, talagang mahirap sila na napakahirap pumunta dito. At saka aside from that, mahal, napakamahal kasi doble, triple yung gastos kasi may hahanap ng ibang paraan para especially the currency. So tapos yung flights talagang hindi direct, may actually even yung mga currency nila is hahanapan ng taong pwede mag-exchange. So talagang napakahirap pumunta dito at good news na rin para sa amin na pupunta sila dito sa amin kasi for the first time I would be able to meet them, and for the first time makikita ni Mikael yung grandparents niya, yung mama ni Maria, at sa wakas magkikita na rin namin sila personal. At for Maria naman 5 years na, so talagang namimiss niya yung pamilya niya, so ako rin ay masaya para sa kanya. So here we are. Look at that. So yeah, dito kami ngayon sa one of the potential resorts na nakanvas namin, at after this we will check other resorts as well. So tingnan namin is alin yung mas pabor sa amin. So tara at tingnan natin if pwede naming ma-check yung. So alright, at dito kami ngayon sa one of the, let's say, boutique store kasi walang mall dito sa isla. So dito kami ngayon para bumili ng mga essentials. Here's the glimpse of parang boutique store na available dito, parang sari-sari or general merchandise store. So andito kami sa labas kasi nakalagay is no video taking, no picture taking. So yeah, we're gonna respect the policy of the store. So dito muna kami sa labas. Pero as you can see, general merchandise store ito. So dito kami bumibili ng essentials. Right? So what did you buy, love?
Yeah, because we ran out of we always buy the anti-mosquito lotion for Mikhail because we're afraid of course, the kid trying to prevent. So that's what finished in the house. We bought some bread, some water, and also this one. So I'm always make sure, right, love?
Ngayon, so it's better to prevent. So yeah, I guess yun muna for now. Let's see how it will be. Okay?
2 hours later.
Sa mga hindi nakakalam, bumili kami nung nakaraan ng e-bike o e-tricycle. So ngayon is hapon na. Naisipan kong mag-practice si Maria mag-drive ng e-trike namin para naman at least marunong na siyang mag-drive in the future. At if ever may gusto siyang puntahan like some errands, is pwede na siyang mag-drive ng siya lang. Kasi si Maria is hindi siya marunong mag-drive ng motor at hindi rin siya marunong mag-drive ng sasakyan. So ngayon is naisipan kong mag-practice kami ng e-bike para at least ma-familiarize na yung I think maybe control sa araw na to. At in the future, marunong na siyang mag-maneuver, the traffic rules, kung ano yung tamang gagawin. So, at least aware siya. So, magiging responsible driver in the future. And yeah, at least siya na yung gagamit ng e-trike namin. So, ito yung e-trike namin. Ayan. So, isang quick tour. So talagang maliit lang siya pero convenient kasi pasok kaming tatlo, tapos may compartment pa sa loob, so pwede naming lagyan ng mga gamit namin. And for its range, real range, estimate ko is around 25 kilometers. So literally enough for us to go to the center and go back home. So kaya sulit na sulit yung pagbili namin ito. And if ever gusto namin pumunta sa malayong lugar, baka mag-upgrade kami ng batteries, but that will be in the future, so not for now. So yes, samahan nyo kami at mag-practice kami ng drive at tingnan natin kung paano mag-practice sa Maria mag-drive ng e-trike. Alright, so ayun na nga, at hindi ko inaasahan nga andito na pala siya at ready. So, tanungin natin.
Yeah, we will start practicing.
It's safe to practice here in the island. It's because it's less people, less vehicles, so it's at least the risk of other vehicles is way low compared to city. So,
So
that's fine.
I'm just trying to familiarize the panel here, and then yeah, we will try to go now around our farms. Not yet on the highway, I'm afraid.
Yeah.
Alright.
So we will just so for now I guess we'll just go to the Purok or Barangay Road so that it's less vehicle at least.
I am here already. I'm on the driving seat.
So alright, first remove the handbrake which is on your right side.
Wait, I will prepare because of the hair. So, brake.
Handbrake, yes. It's on the first.
I will practice now. By the way, did you notice that we have a dog with us? We couldn't leave him.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's go. So wait, so this is brake, right? This is the other brake?
Yes,
And this one also brake?
brake, yes.
And then, so I need, it's rolling because of the heel, right?
Yes, because we're going down, that's why
But
it's
this one
running
is the
on
Kuan, or why it's so scary.
Mommy.
Mikal, you hold yourself in.
Yes, I hold.
It seems so fast, but it's only 8 kilometers. I'm not even straight. Wait, I need to focus. I will focus now.
Давай.
It's very slow, right? But for me, it's so scary. I'm scared. Wait, because I can in the curb, right? How to? What's the maximum I can do? Because I'm afraid.
This
10.
one just run.
Was it very fast for me? But I'm scared.
It's fine, just run on what you can handle.
I cannot already handle. I'm scared. Wait. I'm not in straight. No, tell me I'm very not straight.
It's
right?
fine, it's fine.
It's
You're
fine to
you're
go.
in the line.
In the line?
Yeah.
Wait, where is it? I don't feel
Well,
safe.
try to press the brake so that you will see how what you call this one.
I tried already.
Alright.
For me it's so fast, but it's only 13. What if there is a vehicle? I need to beep or not?
It's fine, no need to beep. You're in the correct lane, so you will just maintain your lane.
But this is two-way road, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So now Mariano is getting used to the e-trike.
Not used at all. But I'm
So,
trying.
yeah.
There is a car actually.
It's fine, slowly. So she is a little better. And at least marunong na siyang mag-maneuver, confident na siya kaunti. As you can see, the drive na siya, ang ganda lang. So, we are still in Sampurok or Barangay Road. So, safe at walang kalaban. So, wala siyang kalaban dito at siya lang. And so this is the good time for her to practice at so far okay naman at
Okay, not naman. I'm very scared, but I'm just trying my best. Especially like this, in the course, I'm like 5 kilometers.
Mommy.
Better safe than sorry.
watch the road because it's a little blind spot, so just
Yes,
be
Mikhail.
sharp.
Close the nose.
Okay, then go. And that will be a sharp left turn, so just watch the road. There's a tricycle at the back. Go sideways first.
Sideways. They will overtake. They cannot because
They can go sideways. Stop.
they can overtake in the kind of course, because as I remember before, like in the course, not allowed to overtake.
I know, but it's fine because we're in the barangay road. We're not the highway, so the reason why we're giving way is because we are slow. Okay. So, hi guys. Yun na nga, successful naman yung first try ni Maria na mag-practice drive ng e-trike. At ito kami ngayon sa Kota Beach at nag-chill lang. So, as you can see, si Maria ay andyan dahil gusto niyang usually pumupunta kami dito para mag-unwind, mag-chill at i-enjoy yung view, yung atmosphere at talaga namang nakaka-enjoy at nakaka-relax yung atmosphere dito. So as you can see, this is the view. Yung alon is medyo malakas kasi talagang mahangin ngayon. Duda ko is parang high tide. Magiging high tide mamaya. How's the wind?
The water is warm, can you imagine?
Really?
In the daytime it was very hot, yes. Because the wind is cold, I thought the water will be cold, but it's very warm. That's why people are night swimming.
Yeah, but the waves are strong, right? Because it's windy.
Yes.
So.
But it's so nice, I feel the breeze of the ocean, it's so pleasant, so good.
Mommy,
I love like this, yes.
do you see me?
Of
Yes.
course.
Alright.
Walk with me, Rael.
Okay. Look, talagang maganda yung time ngayon. What you can see. Look at that. Maliwanag yung buwan. Nagre-reflect yung ilaw ng buwan sa dagat. So parang may flashlight yung dagat. Where have you been?
Working.
Okay.
It's fine. We're just enjoying the walk because we love, right?
Mhm.
We love to walk near the ocean. It's my favorite part of living on the island. Right?
Aha. So yeah, I guess that sums our day. At yun ang ginawa namin for today. And kita-kits sa susunod na vlog at maraming salamat sa pagsuporta at pag-watch ng aming video at sana ituloy-tuloy ang inyong pagsuporta sa amin. So, bye-bye! Bye-bye! Bye-bye, Mikael! Shy siya. So, ito na, nag-enjoy. Tingnan mo. Diba? Feel at home. Feel at home. Ito yung view niya. O, diba? So, bye guys! Bye-bye!